Can this machine be powered by solar panel? The partial answer to that question is yes, but you will need a power bank. You cannot just simply connect solar panels and connect it to the machine, because obviously if it's going to get dark, you're not going to have any power going to the machine. It needs to have like a power bank, and then power bank can be powered by the solar panels. You want to make sure that you have enough power of the solar panels to power this power bank. This is pretty big unit. This will last you for about, even if it's not powered by the solar panel, it will last you about 11 hours on a full charge. But if you have a solar panels, you can charge this machine, this power bank, and offset the power that is taken by the machine. So yes, it can be powered by the solar panel, but only if you have a power bank.
Solaris Water Gen, pure water, pure life.